Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 30 of Surah An-Nisa and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ومن يفعل ذلك عدوانا وظلما. Wow, circle your lip, fatha, open your jaws. My, this is idgham with gunna, and this gunna is akmal. So you are keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa yaf. Yeah, it's very soft. You're lifting your tongue up to touch the palate, but you're not touching. That is making yeah very soft sound. Fatha, open your jaws, attach it fa will get humps. Yaf. Al ain from your throat. For lam, you're giving tawassut. Al, the, 2 counts long. Li, for kasra, give e sound, and the sound is short. Ka, kaf is light. Dhalika, ud, ain from your throat. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. Ud, wa, for wow, circle your lips, and make it 2 counts long. Now, idgham with gunna. Now and for wow, circle your lips, fatha, open jaws. The sound is short. Wa, dhul, Allah is heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Dhulman. This is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light. To make any ikhfa light, you are keeping your tongue straight. Ma, fa, fa. Give hums in fa. For fatha, open your jaws. So, in seen, there should be safir. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it wow, and that will be 2 counts long. So, to make it soft, you are opening your jaws well for fatha and then attaching with wow softly. So, fa with hums, and the sound with fatha is very short. Fa. The hums is in the beginning, but it is ending up. The letter is completed by the sound of fatha. The fatha sound is very short, but hums is little long. Fa, nus. Noon is light. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach it. Sod. Sod will be heavy. Sod has raqawa and safir, and there are so many things going on. So go slow. Nus. Li, 2 counts long. He is short. Na, 2 counts long. And make sure you are keeping it light because raw is heavy. So we tend to make noon heavy too. So be very careful. Na, raw. Why this is long? Because this is mad iwad. Sorry, mad iwad. So you're exchanging the sound of the knee into mad sound. So this exchange is making a 2 counts long. Na, ra, wa. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Ka, 2 counts long. Kaf is light. And open your jaws for fatha. Na, noon is short. The, 2 counts long. Li, for kasra, give e sound. Ka, short and soft. Ain from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Lallahi, this lam is light, but lafz jalala's lam is heavy, and it is always 2 counts long. Lallahi, he for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. Yeah is very soft. You are lifting your tongue up to touch palate, but you are not touching it. That is making yeah very soft sound. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Here, C gives a feed and make it 2 counts long. Ra, mat, iwad. You are exchanging. Iwad means to exchange. So when you are exchanging the sound of a noon, the in original form it should be a run. So at the end, the noon sound should be there. But this noon sound is being exchanged with the 2 counts long vowel. This is making it 2 count. So this is the situation is changed. There is no noon, but there is a long vowel. Yasira. This is why it is called mad iwab. ومن يفعل ذلك عدوانا وظلما فسوف نصليه نارا وكان ذلك على الله يسيرا. Yeah, Hamza is very sharp, and this is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light. So when you are making this ikhfa, your tongue should be in a straight position, yeah, and you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time because the important part of ikhfa is gunna. You are not skipping gunna ever from ikhfa. So be careful. It should be there and it should be long. And that is very sharp sound. The sound is being cut off. For fatha, open your jaws, attach a jim, jim will get qalqala. Taj, ta is very sharp, no flow of sound. Ni, for kasra give e sound. Boo. It is 2 counts long and circle your lips. Ka is short. Ba, 4 counts long. E, for kasra give e sound, and hamza is from your throat. The sharpness is there. No flow of sound. Ra is heavy for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Tun, for dhamma circle your lips. And the sifa is idha. The ruling is izhar, but sifa is tawassut. So tun, how, from your throat, last part of your throat. For fatha open jaws, attach it to wow, and it is 2 counts long because this is lean. So how you make lean soft and long? The first step, you are detaching your jaws, and the time it is taking, it makes it 1 count long, and when you are attaching with wow, this is the other count, so in total it will be 2 counts long. But if you will shorten the time here on fatha, that messes up the sound of lean. So make sure you are detaching well your jaws, so it should take time to go to wow. So that will make it beautiful and soft. How, na, short. Ein from your throat, pupata, open jaws, attach with noon, you get sifa of tawassut, and ruling is idhar. Hu for the circle lips, nu for the circle lips. Kaf is light for fatha, open jaws, attach it. Fa, give humps, a nice rakhawa. Kaf, and then for kasra give feel. You are not skipping the sound of this kasra. This is very important. Feel, and ra is like nu kaf feel, and give tawassut on ra, make it light. Ain from your throat for fatha, open jaws, and then there is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light. عنكم for the circle lips attached with me, we will get sifa of tawassut. Say, give safir on scene for fatha upon your jaws, attached with ya. Here you are giving number whenever harf wow or harf ya is with tashdid. They are getting number wherever these are placed, even if they are on waqf or on wasal, in any position. When you are looking at ya and wow with tashdid, you are giving number. And what is number? Number is a jump up sound. When you are attaching here the scene with ya, here you are giving number. Say. This is number. And ye, kasra is simple, and give e sound. Say. Ye. 2 counts long. T for kasra, give e sound. Kum for the circle lips attached with me, we will get sifat tawassut. Wa for wow circle lips fatha open jot. Nude for the circle lips attached with dal. On dal, your lips should be in a straight position, and you will give qalqala. Nude. Khil for kasra, give e sound attached with lam, get sip of tawassut. Khil kum. This is idgham shafawi. Here, when you are pronouncing kaf, you are circling your lips. As soon as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position first because the first meme is with sakun. Kum. And you are giving a nice idgham because nice gunna in your nose because this is idgham akmal. So kum mude. And then you are giving dhamma and circling your lips and attach with dal. Dal will get sipa of qalqala. Mud. Kha is heavy for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Lang in your nose. Because this is ikhfa and ikhfa goes directly into your nose. You are not pronouncing the sound of noon. You're going towards the makhraj of the coming up letter, and here it is kaf, and keeping the sound in your nose. This is what ikhfa is. La ka is short and kaf is light. Ri 2 counts long. Ma 2 counts long. Met. You are exchanging the sound of tanween into long vowel that is making it 2 counts long. Karima. إن تجتنبوا كبائر ما تنهون عنه نكفر عنكم سيئاتكم وندخلكم مدخلا كريما ولا تتمنوا wow circular so fatha open jaws la 2 counts long ta very sharp sound no flow of sound whatsoever ta man so fatha open your jaws and then attach with noon will get sifa of gunna and this is akmal gunna so keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time man now and then it is 2 counts long ma 2 counts long fell fa is with hums for fatha open jaws attached with dot will get raqawa and istiqala and dot is heavy so many things are going on fell and then fatha is very short with heaviness. Dot is heavy both ways. When you are attaching it fa, dot is heavy. When you are giving it fatha, dot is heavy. So be careful. Fa, do, fa, do, lal. This lam is light, but lafz jalala is heavy because you can see fatha before it, and it is always 2 counts long. فضل الله B for kasra give E sound he 2 counts long ba is light for fatha open jaws attached with ain when ain is light people think that this is heavy no it is not heavy you're not lifting your tongue up but you are totally engaging your throat to say ain it has no any part yeah, like Ain has nothing to do with your mouth. It is from your throat entirely. So ba is heavy for fatha when just the sound is short. Kum for the circular lips with me will get sick off the wasut. Ain from your throat. La 2 counts long it is light. Ba ba is attached with ain. Ain will get sip of the wasut and ain should be from your throat. And on dad you are giving rukhawa and istitala and dad is heavy. Ba lirijali for kasra give e sound attached with ra will be light and ra will get sifa of tawassut. Lir and then for kasra give e sound ri ja 2 counts long li for kasra give e sound na noon is light for fatha open jaws the sound is short sli sad is heavy and make it 2 counts long boom this is idgham with a gunna you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time boom mim for kasra give e sound and then attach with mim get sifa of gunna and this is akmal gunna So keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mim mak. And then it is not anymore long because this meme is attached with the coming up letter, which is kaf. Mim mak. And then you're giving humps on kaf, mak, ta. Ta is very sharp, no flow of sound. Ta, sa. Give Safi in scene for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Boo, 2 counts long. Circle your lips well. Wa for wow, circle your lips for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Lean for kasra, give e sound attached with noon. Noon you get sifa of gunna. And this is akmal gunna. So giving the sound, keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Lean, and then kasra is very short. Ni. Sa, open your jaws and make it 4 counts long. E for kasra, give e sound. Na, short. Sli, 2 counts long. Boom, mim, mak. Now this is not anymore long because it is attached with kaf. Kaf will get hums. Mak, ta. Ta is very sharp. Na, na, sab. Seven. Seven. You're giving qalqala on ba and then giving tawassut because we are giving sukoon on noon because of the waqf, and this makes it like it should have tawassut. Was for wow circular fatha open jaws attached with scene will get sifa of rakhawa and safid, and it is light. Was hamza is very sharp from your throat for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Lul, this lam is light, but left jalala will be heavy, and it will be 2 counts long. Lul, lo, ha from your throat for fatha open your jaws. Ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light, so keeping the sound in your nose and you're keeping your tongue straight because of the light ikhfa, because fa is among light letters. And give istitala and rakhawa, and dot is heavy. Fel li for kasra, give e sound attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa because it has sakun now because of the waqt. In Hamza is very sharp for kasra, give e sound attached with noon gets sifa of gunna, and this gunna is longer because this is akmal gunna. In, but fatha is very short and it is attached with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy because you can see fatha before it. No, noon, keep noon light, but lafz jalala heavy and make it 2 counts long. No, from your throat for fatha open, just the sound is short. Kaf is light and make it 2 counts long. Na, short. B for kasra, give e sound. Kul, for dhamma, circle your lips. And as soon you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Kul, and then for kasra, give e sound. Kul, give the wasut first and then give kasra. Kasra is light. Kulli shay. This is 2 counts long because this is lean. You are detaching your jaws and then attaching with yeah, and that is making it long and soft. Shay in ibkhar, ruling it with power was sifat tawassut. In ain from your throat. And for fatha open jaws, li 2 counts long. Ma Tajweed is making it 2 counts long. Subhan. Okay, wait. ولا تتمنوا ما فضل الله به بعضكم على بعض. للرجال نصيب مما اكتسبوا وللنساء نصيب مما اكتسبن واسألوا الله من فضله إن الله كان بكل شيء عليما. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك، أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت، أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.